Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you this Valentine's DIY gift. So I got this teddy bear from the Dollar Tree, so it was obviously $1, but it's chocolate scented and it's really cute, so I thought why not put it on top of the bag, which I also got at Dollar Tree. So go ahead and punch the holes wherever you want it. I have these little eyelets that I used right here, and I'm trying to hammer them down on the plastic table, but it didn't work, so go on a hard surface. I just did it on the floor, and this is what it looks like. So my vision was to put ribbon through it from the inside, so then they're hanging out on the outside. You wrap them around the teddy bear and tie it into a bow on the front. So it's kind of a dual purpose because you have the teddy bear and you have the ribbon that turns into a bow, so you don't need to buy a bow. So this is what it looks like once the bear is actually attached to the bag, and you can't find a bag like this in any store. And if you did, it would be really expensive. So next, I got these chocolates from Costco. Obviously, just get chocolates from wherever you want. But I put them inside this box that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So to add another personal touch, I handmade this card, because obviously handmade items are nicer than store-bought, and this whole present is themed with gin rummy because that is the card game that we play. That's our tradition. So obviously you can personalize your Valentine's Day gift with your significant other, whatever traditions or games that you play, you know, whatever you do with each other's company, and just come up with something creative. You know, Pinterest is there to help. And something that I saw on Pinterest was 52 Reasons I Love You. So I got this card deck from Walmart. It was only 88 cents, which was pretty dope. After writing down my 52 reasons, I split the deck into how much space I have to write on each of the cards, and then you just go and you write them down. So on the red cards, I used a black Sharpie, and then the opposite for black cards, I used the red Sharpie. And it's just really sweet. So I wrapped every segment of these gifts in tissue paper, so every time that he opens it, he kind of has another mini present. And on the outside of the deck, I took these little stickers that I got from Michael's that are Valentine's Day related. I wrote 52 Reasons I Love You, and on the edges it had the brand name, like playing cards, you know, so I wanted to black all that out and write something romantic. So obviously with gin rummy, it's kind of a given. I got him some airplane bottles of gin and rum from the liquor store. And the biggest part of this present that I made was this photo cube. It's one of those infinity flipping cubes where you can personalize them with your photos. So I printed out several photos of us, and you glue them onto these little wooden cubes that I got from Michael's. I can link the video that I used below. This is not an original idea. I followed instructions on YouTube on how to do this. But basically it just flips through different photos that you choose. And this is something that you can't buy. You know, this is a little rough around the edges, but it really holds a special place in the heart, and it'll be cute in your bookshelf, your desk, in your office, you know. It'll make them think of you. But it's just one of the things where there really is no price tag on a special item like this. So the final part is just assembling everything together. So wrap them if you want, use tissue paper, that's cheap. Make it pretty, you know, make it an experience for them to unwrap, like there's always more. I love piling little things on top of each other. I think that's kind of cool instead of having one big present. And something like this, it's just really coming from the heart, you know, so even if it is a last minute budget gift, it still means a lot. And Valentine's Day isn't about all the glitz. I love the glitz, don't get me wrong, but it's about the love that you have with each other. And I hope I gave you a couple ideas on how to express your love to them. So happy Valentine's Day, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe.